Have you ever experienced that specific kind of frustration that hits about 40 minutes into a backyard party? While you might be stuck at the cooler, refilling cups and answering the same question about drink options on repeat, did you know that a glass drink dispenser solves this in one effortless move? In this video, we'll guide you through finding the absolute best glass drink dispensers that won't fail you during those warm summer gatherings. Welcome to Kitchen to Entertain, where effortless entertaining begins. Here, it's all about great food, fun, and flawless hosting. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment to let us know if you want more content like this. Today, we're exploring what to actually look for when buying a beverage dispenser, what quietly fails at summer parties, and which features are truly worth prioritizing. This guide cuts through the noise to prepare you for the kind of entertaining most people actually do. Let's get started. First things first, understanding why summer parties need a different standard. Most buying guides treat outdoor summer use the same as indoor use, but heat changes how a dispenser performs in ways that aren't obvious until you're mid-party. Plastic spigots expand slightly in sustained heat, causing slow drips that leave puddles under your table. Furthermore, ice melts faster than expected outdoors, meaning you are either constantly adding ice or accepting warm drinks by the second hour. Keep in mind that open-top designs that work perfectly fine in a kitchen quickly become insect traps the moment you take them outside. Second, consider the specific advantages of using glass. Glass earns its place for summer entertaining primarily because it doesn't transfer taste the way plastic does, which is especially important for citrus-heavy drinks that sit for hours. Moreover, a glass dispenser on a styled outdoor table looks incredibly intentional. This elegant visual element signals effort in a way a pitcher or a plastic jug simply doesn't, elevating the entire atmosphere of your gathering and validating the effort you put into hosting. Third, match the capacity to your actual guest count. It is crucial to understand the 3 standard sizes of 1 gallon, 2 gallons, and 3 gallons before making a purchase. A 1-gallon dispenser works well for about 8 to 10 guests, but for a real backyard party, it will need constant refilling, which defeats the purpose. The practical sweet spot for most home gatherings is a 2-gallon dispenser, as it easily handles 16 to 20 servings and fits comfortably on a standard folding table. If you are hosting a cookout with over 25 guests, step up to a 3-gallon dispenser, but be mindful of the significant added weight once it is filled with liquid and ice. Fourth, prioritize the material of your spigot. If you read enough reviews, you will find that the spigot is the most common failure point, and the detail buyers consistently wish they had prioritized. Stainless steel spigots handle outdoor heat much better than plastic, and don't develop the micro-warping that causes annoying drips over time. While plastic spigots aren't universally terrible, their quality varies wildly, making a cheap plastic spigot on a hot patio a massive gamble. Stainless steel provides reliable durability and is significantly easier to clean thoroughly. Fifth, look for a drip-free and removable spigot design. A true drip-free spigot has a clean shutoff with a positive stop at the closed position, leaving absolutely no residual drip after you close it. Additionally, the spigot should unscrew completely for regular maintenance. Any spigot that cannot be fully disassembled will accumulate residue in the threads over time, creating both a hygiene issue and a nasty taste issue for your beautiful sangrias and wine-based drinks. Sixth, choose the right type of glass. When shopping, pay attention to the difference between borosilicate and standard glass. Borosilicate glass handles thermal shock much better, meaning it is significantly less likely to crack when you load cold ice into a dispenser that has been sitting in warm, outdoor air. Standard glass dispensers certainly aren't overly fragile, but minimizing the risk of cracking during extreme temperature shifts makes borosilicate an excellent investment for summer use specifically. Seventh, ensure you have the proper lid type. An open-top dispenser absolutely has no place at an outdoor summer party due to insects, airborne debris, and direct sun exposure becoming immediate problems. You should always look for a lid that sits flush or completely locks into place, rather than a loose cover that simply shifts when someone bumps the table. Some fantastic dispensers even come with an infuser column that doubles as a sealed closure, offering you both brilliant fruit infusion functionality and essential pest protection simultaneously. 8th, decide when you actually need an infuser insert. Not every summer drink requires an infuser, but for spa water, citrus lemonade, or herb-infused cocktails, having a built-in fruit column makes a massive difference. It keeps the fruit perfectly contained so it doesn't clog your spigot, while allowing you to effortlessly remove the insert and refresh the fruit mid-party without remaking the entire batch. If plain iced tea is your go-to, it's just a nice-to-have feature. But for sangria lovers, a high-quality infuser should be a strict requirement. 9th, pay attention to the base and stability. A full 3-gallon dispenser loaded with liquid and ice weighs close to 30 pounds, making table stability a critical safety factor. On an uneven patio surface, or as the liquid drains and the center of gravity shifts, an unstable base becomes a very real risk to your party setup. Wide, flat feet consistently outperform narrow pedestals outdoors. So if you prefer a pedestal aesthetic, make absolutely sure the footprint is broad enough to withstand a gentle nudge without tipping over. 10th, evaluate the ease of cleaning. Wide mouth openings are incredibly practical because they let you comfortably load large ice cubes, whole citrus slices, and even your hand for scrubbing without any frustrating gymnastics. While narrow openings might look sleek and elegant on a table, they prove to be genuinely inconvenient during actual preparation and cleanup. Always check whether the spigot is dishwasher safe and confirm that the lid and any infuser components can be fully disassembled for a thorough wash. Finally, keep the summer hosting spirit alive. By choosing the perfect glass drink dispenser, you free yourself from the cooler and get to actually enjoy the gorgeous backyard party you worked so hard to put together. Continue exploring refreshing new batch cocktails and infused water recipes to keep your guests hydrated and happy all season long. Let your beautiful new dispenser be the reliable centerpiece of many wonderful sunny gatherings to come. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more hosting tips and kitchen inspiration. This is Kitchen to Entertain. Thanks for watching.